Hi there, so for our final presentation we decided to do our main topic on adding and subtracting in different bases, and this is group E. This is by me, Grace, Jose, and Enrique.
So basically, adding and subtracting bases is pretty simple. For starters, computers and calculators use the binary enumeration system to perform arithmetic computations and numbers. So for example, if you were to use a calculator to find the sum of 9 and 4, the calculator would convert the 4 to 100 and the 9 to 1001. The calculator uses electronic circuitry known as binary adders to find the sum of 100 and 1001, and which would be 1101. This is because calculators convert 1101 to base 10. The conversions and the base 2 additions are done in a fraction of a second, which gives the person using the calculator the ability to perform addition in base 10.
For our first example, we're going to go over addition examples. You first start in the ones place and look first at your base. This base is going to be what you are going to sum up to. So for base 8, everything will sum up to 8. Then you will carry over anything that is left over into the next value place. So for example, 345 plus 4,453 in base 8, that first digit place, you will do 3 plus 5, which is 8, which nothing will be left into that first place, so it'd be a 0, which you carry over the 1. So then 4 plus 1 plus 5 is 10, but since you're in base 8, you'd subtract that 8, it'd leave you with 2 that drops down, and then you carry over that 1. So 3 plus 4 would then be 3 plus 4 would then be 8, which then carries over, which would be that 0, and then 1. So therefore you'd work through that and then end up in 1020 with base 8.
Okay, so here we have another example, this time with subtraction. And once more, you're going to start with the ones place. You're going to find the difference in the base that you're subtracting. If the ones place is smaller, obviously you can't subtract normally, so you have to borrow from the place left of the ones place. So here would be the fives place. Then continue subtracting. So here we have 2 minus 3, which obviously you can't do that, so you're going to end up borrowing from the fives place. 2 minus 3 is 0, so 5 minus 1, 4. That's the answer there. Then you have 1 minus 4, so you borrow again. Then you end up with 5 minus 3, so it's going to end up in 2 again. And then you're going to end up with 3 minus 1, which ends up being 2, so you end up with 224 in base 5.